Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to clear the Roblox cache on Windows 11. This method is especially helpful if Roblox isn't opening properly, keeps showing random errors, or gets stuck while loading. Let's get started. First, make sure Roblox is completely closed on your computer. Once that's done, open the Start menu, search for Run, and click on it. When the Run window opens, click inside the text box, type %temp% and press OK on your keyboard. This will open the temporary files folder on your system. From here, scroll down until you find a folder named Roblox. When you see it, right-click on the Roblox folder and select Delete. These files are only temporary cache files, so it's completely safe to remove them, and this will not affect your Roblox account or any of your games. After deleting the folder, your Roblox cache has now been successfully cleared. And that's it. That's how you can clear the Roblox cache on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.